In this video, I'm about to show you how to find the best time to post on TikTok for your niche. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Then tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Next, tap on the TikTok Studio. In the TikTok Studio, find the Analytics selections and tap on View All to access all your analytics. From here, go to the Overview tab to get a general view. Then, tap on the Followers to check your followers' insight. Scroll down until you see Most Active Times. Here, you'll find the times when your followers are most active, which can help you decide when to post for the best engagement. For example, on Monday, your followers are most active at 7 a.m., 10 a.m., and 9 p.m. On Tuesday, the best time are 2 a.m., 4 a.m., and 10 a.m. On Wednesday, the peak activity times are at 8 a.m., 9 a.m., and 11 p.m. On Thursday, your followers are active at 9 a.m., 12 p.m., and 7 p.m. On Friday, the ideal time to post are 6 a.m., 1 p.m., and 4 p.m. On Saturday, your followers are most active at 11 a.m., 7 p.m., and 8 p.m. Finally, on Sunday, the best time to post are 7 a.m., 9 a.m., and 3 p.m. These times can be a good starting point, but always adjust based on your followers' activity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.